Good afternoon, it's Dave at ATI Watch Reviews. Please smash the like button, please smash that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. Little wristwatch check. Got my absolute stunning Beta Steel Dive SD 1970. Absolutely love it. Built like a tank. But I got an unbelievable deal in one of the latest AliExpress. You know, they do deals like, it seems like it's every other week now, but in the latest kind of watch discount sale, I picked up a few really good, well, what I hope to be really good watches. And this is one from our favourite Homage manufacturer, the one and only Pagani design. And I've been meaning to pick up the updated version of this watch because this is the PD-1682, 42mm diameter, 13mm thick, nominal obviously, fully solid stainless steel 3-link bracelet, going down to a deployant clasp with push buttons, no safety catch. It does have though, a dive extension. Obviously this has a fixed solid stainless steel bezel. It's a GMT watch with the orange GMT hand, the beautiful white dial, and it's powered by the Pearl DG5833A movement. Now, Pagani have actually released, see, this is the V2 model, and this was released at some point later last year, but they have actually released a new 40mm version of this watch under a different reference. And that one is the 1762, and that one's 40mm. With a new NH34 movement, and with a brand new clasp that's like an updated old style clasp that looks absolutely sick. But the problem with that model is it's a lot more expensive. It's about 2.5 times the price of this one. So that's why I will pick it up eventually, but one downside is not just to the price. One downside is it's a 40mm model. And although most people will prefer 40mm, personally, for me, I prefer the bigger 42. Let's try it out on the wrist anyway. That's pretty beautiful. That is a really nice size. Obviously, I'm going to have to take some links out. But that is really nice sized at 42 for me. It's not too heavy. I would guess it's about, with all the links, probably 170 odd, but obviously when you take the links out, it's going to be a little bit lighter. But that doesn't feel too heavy anyway. That is a really nice size. So I can't wait to get this on my wrist and then get a full review. Wow. And the dial is pretty stunning. I nearly bought it in black, but I've got another Pagani on the way in black, so I thought I'll pick it up in white. But that is really, really nice. So yeah, thanks for checking out this unboxing. Loads more watches to come. Cheers, it's been Dave.